Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel CodeVish. I have started a series of videos on Kubernetes. This would be helpful for beginners who doesn't have prior development experience and want to learn and explore Kubernetes. Also, it is suitable for the developers who has some experience working with cloud native application using Kubernetes and want to learn more and expand their area of knowledge in Kubernetes. So in this video, we are going to discuss two topics. So first is the structure of the course, where we will be discussing about the components that are being used in this series so that it will help you to learn the concepts and to practice them and a lot of more things. Then we are going to discuss about the topics that we are going to cover in this series. So now about me. So myself, Vishnu, I'm a software engineer with 5+ years of developing cloud native application, and I'm passionate about learning new technologies in my day-to-day routine. So now let's move to the structure. So this course is divided into three components. So first one is tutorials, where I will be explaining each and every concept related to Kubernetes, about Kubernetes setup, about container orchestration, about pods, replica set, and much more. Then coming to the second component. So this section I have called it as practice. So here we will practice all the concepts that we have learned through the previous tutorial component, and it will make you confident enough to write config files and confident cloud native application developer, and also it will help you to crack the CCAD certification. And the third and the most important component is configuration practice. So here we are going to do a lot of practice on writing config files, replica set, pods, deployment, services such as node port, cluster IP, load balancer, and a lot of things that we are going to discuss in the upcoming videos. So now I have listed down some of the topics that we are going to cover in this series in the upcoming videos. So we are going to discuss about the overview. So this overview will involve a lot of Kubernetes overview, such as container orchestration, why we are using Kubernetes, what are advantages. We have other container orchestration tools available in the market, such as Apache Mesos and a lot of. So why we are using Kubernetes. So we will cover in this section. Then I will guide you how to set up Kubernetes in your local environment. So we will be using Minikube as a single node cluster for local development, but as much as we learn the concepts, we will move them to cloud so that we can set up our own multi-node cluster as well. Then we are going to discuss about Kubernetes concept such as pods, replica set, and a lot of things. Then we are also going to cover YAML file definition as well, because this is the most important component in Kubernetes, because we need to write a lot of YAML definition. So we have to practice a lot on YAML section, because if there is a small syntax error in YAML, it can fail your whole Kubernetes deployments. So this is one use case I discussed as of now. Then we are going to discuss about pods, replica set, and deployments, how we can write the config file, and a lot of use case I will be covering in this section. Then I'm going to discuss about the networking. So how our pods are exposed, or maybe you can say that how we are connect to the pods through our external network, how different pods connect to each other in the clusters, and a lot more. Then we are going to discuss about the services. So mainly we have three services available in Kubernetes, such as node port, cluster IP, and load balancer. But we will be going in depth in each and every service in this lecture. Then I will guide you how we can deploy a microservice application in the Kubernetes clusters. Then also we will discuss about how we can integrate our Kubernetes with clouds such as AWS, Azure, GCP, etc. Thank you for watching my video, and please do share, like, and comment so that it will motivate me to share my knowledge with each and everyone. Thank you. See you in another video.